Hi guys, charity shop Gold or Garbage, Keynsham today. Spotted this Opteka, I think that says, X Grip. Cost me £2.99. I don't think I'd have wanted to spend any more on it than that. Professional camera video action grip. It appears to be plastic. That's my Canon, what is it? Can't remember what it's called now. Oh, Canon PowerShot 60 something or other. I can't remember. That's the one I use for most of my filming anyway. Fits on there nicely. Got some options there for fitting different cameras. Got an additional thing there for your flash or light or microphone, I suppose. I've used it for filming the radio controlled cars today, and I've also used it for filming a rubber band powered car today. So depending on which order I upload things, I'll try and link to them so you can actually see whether it seemed any good. It felt alright, to be honest. There's no stabilisation on it, nothing clever. It is just a bit of bent plastic to hold your camera, but it is more convenient to hold the camera that way when you're trying to get a low shot than trying to get your hand right down here. So yeah, that was okay. Ideal for filming skateboarding, snowboarding, skiing, boating and auto racing. Any extreme sporting event where stability is a must. So obviously I'll be testing it in all of those fields, won't I? Features soft cushion grip, yes. Multi-position mounting system, yes. Mounting shoe for microphone, flash unit and video lights, yes. Improved stability of your digital and video cameras. Easily mounts to tripod or monopod. Oh yeah, just screw it on there, I suppose. Yeah, fair enough. Yeah, you could. Non-slip rubber feet. Yeah. So it has what it says in the box. We'll give it that. Oh, there we are. Opteka X Grip. Yeah, I wouldn't want to pay more than £2.99 for it, but at that price, probably worth having.
Hey, thanks for watching. There's plenty of videos on my main channel with more added daily, so don't forget to subscribe and enable the notifications to keep you up to date with my new releases. You can help keep my channel running by donating $1 on Patreon to buy me coffee. You can always find more information in the video description. Thanks again for watching.